Hi guys, today I'm showing you a games work at Lucky Patcha. So let's go to the Play Store. Now type Lucky Patcha. So when you go down and you see a games like Do the Army 2, that's work in Lucky Patcha, and beat the boss 4. It also work in Lucky Patcha, but I don't try it. But this Coin Tosser Device I tried, but it works in Lucky Patcha, and this Hunger Shot I'll try it. So it's work. This jetpack, jetpack joyride. I tried it. See installed. Yeah, and also this Little Big City Gun Builder Elite and Bad Pigs HDs and Hill Climb also, and Cartoon Wars 3 and Shadow Fight 2. So zombie counters, and I think this is a game. Oh, this is a game. So it's working. Oh, Mortal Kombat also, but I don't want to try it because the gig, the memory, it's big now. And to die too, it's really work. This and to die too, and color switch, it's also work. I tried this, but and back to Subway Surfer, it's also try this. City Racing 3D. I don't know if it's work in Lakabaka, but I think she worked because he in the Lucky Patcher mode. So let's see this one attack beach buggy racing. It's work. Call of Duty Zombies is also work, and beat the boss for also like that. Escape Ambition 60. Yeah, I don't know this very well. Is this a game? Yeah, this a game. Yeah, it's a game. And Dark Soul. It's the memory. It's big, so I don't want to download this. But I see in the YouTube too. It's working this. So let's back. Bloons TD Bottles. I also did this, and this Star Wars Fair Alien Invasion HD. I tried it because it's installed now. Buster Dance, Score Hero, it's Park. Gunship Battle, Head Sucker, Angry Bird Star Wars, Anger of Stick 4, It's Work, and Zombie Road Trip, Rock the Thief, Respawnables, War of Tanks Clan, Highway Rider. I got for the original, it's also work, but uh, where's my Perry? Red Ball. I think this is a game. Don't know this is a game. Yeah, it's this a game, but it's one that The Walking Dead. I don't download this because I'm scared for that. So now, guys, I will end this video in this part. And guys, by the way, you must like this video and subscribe, and I will record the part 2. Thank you guys.